It's actually my pleasure to be here. Thank you for inviting me.
Since you're with us right now, I'm going to take a chance to ask some questions from the viewers that are watching us live right now. For that, can you educate us what cognitive development is?
Sure. So cognitive development is the process by which children and adults acquire, process, and utilize information to understand the world around them. Cognitive development involves the development of various cognitive skills, which includes first attention, which means focusing on relevant information. Next is perception, which means interpreting sensory information. Next is memory, which means retaining and retrieving information. Next is language, which means understanding and using verbal or non-verbal communication. Next is problem solving, which means finding solution. And next is thinking, which means reasoning, analyzing, and evaluating information. Actually, cognitive development comes from a combination of genetic, environmental influences, and learning experiences. Understanding cognitive development helps us support learning, address challenges, and foster intelligence.
Wow, that's so interesting, Ms. Rina. Now, are you ready for the calls?
Well, I guess I should be.
We have our first caller. Hello?
Hello,
Good afternoon, ma'am. So, what is your question?
my question is, what influences cognitive development?
As I said, cognitive development is influenced by genetics, environment, and of course, nutrition.
So now we have our next caller.
Hello po, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
I have a question po.
Yes.
How do children learn and process information?
So children learn and process information through play and social interaction.
The question of our third caller is,
Hello, I have a question. What are signs of cognitive delays or difficulties?
The signs of cognitive delays or difficulties are language delays and problem-solving challenges.
now we have our fourth caller. Hello, ma'am.
Hello po. Hello. Good afternoon. I am Siti Mona Aisa Andal Kusaim, and I am a mother of two. And my question is, at what age do children typically develop problem-solving skills?
Miss Anda.
The age children typically develop problem-solving skills are when the children begin developing problem skills at a young age, and it progresses throughout childhood.
Now, let's move on to our last caller. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello. So, what is your question?
My question is, how does social interaction impact cognitive development?
Social interaction impacts cognitive development because when interacting with others, help children develop language skills and communication. It also enhances critical thinking and problem-solving skills.
That's amazing. Thank you for answering the question of our caller. Now, do you have a message or a speech to our viewers?
Today, I'm talking about a fascinating topic that shapes our lives from birth to adulthood, which is cognitive development. Cognitive development refers to the process by which we acquire, process, and utilize information to understand the world. From the moment we're born, our brains start developing rapidly. We begin to recognize faces, objects, and sounds as we grow. Our cognitive skills expand to include language, problem-solving skills, and critical thinking. Cognitive development is influenced by a combination of genetic